Welcome to this lesson on Educator.com, lessons on e-marketing. Okay, let's dive right into SEO. And SEO, as you remember from the previous lesson, stands for Search Engine Optimization. In this lesson, we'll talk about those bots that I also mentioned in the previous lesson and what exactly do they look for. And in this lesson, we're talk about the tags. All right, so let's dive right in. And here are the few tags that they pretty much look for, all located within the content of or the code of the website. We're going to look into the title tag. We're going to look into the keyword tag and the description tag. And I'm going to add a little something else to this. We're going to look for overall keyword percentage. Okay. Forgive for the punctuation there, but hey, you'll know exactly what I mean as we go on through the lesson. So the first thing we're going to go over is basically how to find out what kind of tags you have within your website. Okay, so in the previous lesson that I mentioned before, I went over viewing the source, viewing the code. Okay, this lesson I'll be using Mozilla Firefox, but if you need to refresh yourself on how to find the source code, if you're using a Internet Explorer or Chrome, refer to the previous lesson. Here we're going to basically be using Firefox because that's the browser I personally use 90% of the time. And basically you just go to Tools, Web Developer, and Page Source. So the key word is source. Okay, whenever we want to look at the code, code means source. All right, with that established, this is what you will pretty much see right here. Again, it's a series of codes. They're not going to be colored in black and red, I don't think, but most likely you will see a title tag, you will see a meta tag for keywords and a meta tag for descriptions. If you don't see these tags, well, your website is not optimized for the search engine. So again, we have our bot, okay, this funny little guy that I can't seem to draw very well, but he is basically looking at your website and he's going to be looking at these tags that I just check marked. Okay, so we're going to basically go over each and every one of these. Some are more important than the others. And in conclusion, I hope that you take the time to make certain adjustments for your tags. There are certain rules that apply. We're going to discuss all of them. Now, this is the year 2012. These rules apply for 2012. I don't know what they'll apply in 2013 or 14, but we're going to keep you up to date as much as possible.